How to unlink Free Fire from Facebook? Well, the unlinking process of Free Fire from Facebook depends. Linked login methods generally cannot be removed directly from the application itself, so you wouldn't be able to find any kinds of unlink Facebook option on the Free Fire game. If you have any kinds of bind account through your Google account, you'd be able to unbind it from here. You can simply tap on settings on your Free Fire game, tap on accounts and basics, and here you'd be able to find an unbind option. However, if you're looking forward to remove Free Fire from your Facebook account, you'd be able to do it from your Facebook settings. You can simply go to your Facebook, and once you go to the games section, you'd be able to find options like unlink Free Fire. From there, you'd be able to find Free Fire on your games and activity. You want to simply open games and activity on your Facebook, and you want to simply unlink your app from there. However, if that doesn't work out as well, you want to simply contact the Garena support team if any kinds of further assistance is needed. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.